trying to find the link. Trying to find the link. I can't seem to find it. Here we go. I think if I just go here. Yeah, that'll work. Copy. Blah. Here we go. I think if I just go here. Yeah, that'll work. Copy. Post. Blah. Okay, so like the post says that I'll be
Post.
on Google Classroom. I'm sorry, Prodigy. Okay, so playing Prodigy, you can ask questions. Mute that because that's myself. Okay, so I'm going to be having the chat up here like that, but I'm also going to be playing Prodigy at the same time. So let's see if I can do this properly. Let's see. Maybe if I did this. Sure, that works, I guess. So I'm gonna be playing, I guess. Let's go to Combax, whatever that is, and let's start there. So got confetti, nice, cool. I'm just gonna be playing Prodigy. And, you know, you guys have any questions about what went on today or anything math related or anything like that, you can do that. So, that's what I'll be doing right now. So, yeah. I hope today was a decent day. Or if also you want to play me a Prodigy, you can do that too. I'm in Combax. I'm only level 16, so any higher level guys can probably kill me easily. Let's do a magic shot. Let's see what question I get. So the difference between reduced to lowest terms. Reduce means that you are getting it smaller. Difference between reduced to lowest terms. Okay, so since it says difference there, what that means is that I need to find out what the missing fraction is to make 1/2 here. So let's see. Looks like this needs to be 3/6. So that, to me, this right here needs to be a... Let's see, if we make it 6, that means this needs to be 3/6. So then 7 minus 4/6 is our answer here. I believe. Let's cast it. What? It's not? When subtracting fractions, they must have a common denominator, which we did. Convert the fractions. Oh, wait a minute. Hang on a sec. Those terms reduce your answer. So I need to reduce mine too. So 4/6, making it smaller, it's going to be 2/3. Because it says to reduce your answer as well. Did some 49 damage. Very nice. Like I said, y'all can chat in the chat over here, and you know, if you have any questions, ask me about whatever's going on, and you can do that, or you can have math questions or anything like that. Okay, so let's do this again. So now we need to find the lowest terms. So we need to go from 7/12 all the way over to 1/3. Well, let's see. We needed to make then, if 12 is going to be the same common denominator, so we have 12 on bottom. That has to be there. And then what we would have to do is to make 1/3. We have to divide 12 by 4 to equal 1/3. So we have to divide 4 on top too. So it had to be a 4 on top. So then that means that we had a 3 on top up here. So how do we get to 3? Well, 7 is 4. Like that. Because 7 minus 4 would be 3, not that. So actually it's 3 here. Because 7 minus 3 is going to be 4. And then we cross over the 12, and that's going to, if we divide 4 and 4, it's going to make 1/3. So let's make it into the smallest here. We need to divide by 3. So this needs to be a 1 and 4. And that will be the answer. Aha! Very nice. Very, very nice. 75 damage. Critical hit. Yeah. Well, that's not fun. Okay, so let's see again. Let's do it again. Let's attack with the... let's do a Magi shot. The difference between reduced... lowest terms, reduce your answer. Okay, so again, same thing. So this needs to be 10 for now, because we need a common denominator. But now we need to do it... looks like there's a bigger number on top here. But still, this still equals 1/2. So what I'm guessing here is that we need to change this 13, and we need to make it, I think, at least into a 5, because the bottom number here needs to be 10, because the 10 goes across. So how do we get 1/2 here? Well, this needs to be 5 on top. So equal 5 over 10 is also equal to 1/2. So we're going to take this 1/2 here. We need to find out 13 minus what could equal 5. And the only answer is 8, because 13 minus 8 is 5, and then 10, that's 10 there, which is 1/2. But we need to reduce our answer to the lowest amount. So we need to go to, I guess, divide by 2. That's the only thing we can do. So 8 divided by 2 is 4, and then 10 divided by 2 is 5. That's our answer. Woohoo! Yeah, got him. I'll be doing this till 5 o'clock, so just whenever y'all decide to get on and view, that'd be great. Let's see. No, I don't want to get them now. Thank you. Let's see here. Let's see. What do we got? What's down here? Nope, no parent link. Dooney, what's this? Oh, these are little motions. Are those little dances? Oh my goodness. Our little guys can dance. What is he doing? Oh, he's a moonwalk. That is funny. What is he doing now? What's this? Oh, he's in a little dance. There he goes again. I got you. Is this a dab? I think that's a dab. We have to pay for that. Oh, he's angry. Now he's crying. What does this mean? Oh, he's surprised. That's so funny. I can chat in here. It's like, what's up? Can I send that? I can't send that? Hi. Can I say hi? Of course I can say hi. What are you? Hey, I want that firefly. Come here. I need this firefly. How do I get you? Come here. No! Okay, I didn't want to go with it. Let's see. I'm going to check online real quick. Oh, give me that. Give me that. Give me that firefly. Okay. Never mind. Let's go this way. Oh, I'm going to fight this dude up here. This guy right here. He's going to come at me. There he is. Wizard. See, do a Magi shot. Ah, same thing here. Difference is reduced. So we have 17 over 15 and 5. So... So, we have to make this... This still needs to be 15 for now. But we need to make it smaller to 5. So this is going to be 15 as well. So that means we can divide it by 3. So what divides by 3 to also equal 4, which is supposed to be 12 up on top. So how do we get from 17 to 12? Well... we need to divide by 5. Subtract it by 5. And the bottom number has to be 15. Yeah, that's going to be it, because 17 minus 5 is 12. And then 15 is going to go straight across. And if we divide both those, 4/5. So now we divide by 5 on top and bottom, because 5 is the greatest common factor, because we can divide by 5 on top, which is going to be 1. And this is going to be 3, because 15 divided by 5 is 3. Boom. You know. Okay, so let's move on to another one. Let's see. He hit me back pretty hard. Now, so it looks like again we have 23 and 12. So now this is going to be 12. Let's put that in there for now for a placeholder. Now, 4 needs, this is going to end up being 12, but we need to make it smaller to 4, which is going to be divided by 3. So then up here, since we divided by 3 on bottom to make it into 4, we need to divide by multiply by 3 on top, because we want to find out what number we have. So this is going to be 15. So 15 here, how do we get to 15 to 23? So, well, 23 and 15 is going to be 8. Because if I were to count it out, I would have, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's say, actually, I'm going to erase that real quick, and it's going to be a little different. Come here. Hey, come here. I want this. I want the eraser. Let's see. So we have 23, or we have 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that's how we get 8 there. Now, what needs to happen is that I need to make 8 over 12 smaller, because we need to make it into the reducing my answer. We need to reduce it. So, let's see real quick. Where's my thing? So we have 23 and 8. Sorry, that's right, yeah. So we have 8 and 12. Well, we can do is divide it by 4, because we can divide 8 divided by 4, which is 2, and then we can do 12 divided by 4, which is 3. And cast her spell. Ooh, yeah. Hey, there's Hunter. Hey, Shark. Who's Shark? I don't know who Shark is. Hey, Hunter, how are you doing? I am well. I'm glad you're doing. I'm glad. Hunter, what have you been up to? Let's see. Who is Shark? I don't know who Shark is. Let's see. That's good. I'm glad, Hunter. Did you go to school today? Let's see. The difference between been reduced to lowest terms, 26 and 6. So we do the same thing here. I'm a mystery man. Oh yes. Was it crazy for y'all? Of course, I went to the Capitol, and talked to many different senators, so I don't know exactly what happened. I'm a mystery man. Let's see. Oh, I'm gonna move on. Let's see. It's 26 and 6. How do we get from 6 to 1? Is that we would have to make this, I think we'd make this potentially 6. We're gonna have to make it smaller later. But, let's see, how do we get from 26 to 3? Well, 6 goes here, then this is going to be 18, so 18. Because we have 26 here. Oh, let me get the pencil out. So 26 there. If y'all have any questions or anything about, math or anything else, you can just come on and ask. It's okay. You don't have to stay quiet and listen. So we have 26. And this is going to end up being 18 because if I were to, because we're multiplying by 6 here, and then we're going to multiply by 6 here. Prodigy is greater than Fortnite? Thank you. That's awesome. No, only like 28 kids with our class combined. Well, I'm glad it wasn't that crazy. I really, I went to the Capitol, and there were a lot of people there. But it went well for what we wanted to accomplish. I got to talk to congressmen and everything else, and we got our message across pretty well because I was there for to support educating and supporting you guys, and that's what my main goal was. Now, and today I was not paid, quite possibly because of me being absent today, and that's what the school board decided on yesterday. But I was willing to make that sacrifice because I think education is more important. So let me finish up this problem real quick. Did y'all end up watching a movie, Hunter, or something like that? I think you're saying Prodigy is greater than Fortnite Shark. But anyway, I'm gonna finish this problem. So 3 times 6 is 18. And 6. So we need to find out from 26 to 18. Oh, that's awesome. I'm glad you are, because we're going to learn a lot. I'm really curious who Shark is, the mystery man. Let's see. So we need to find out. So 26 minus... what's my difference? What's the difference between 26 and 18? Can y'all tell me? Let's see. 26 and 18. Either one of y'all can tell me. I'll wait for a second. So I'm going to do 26 minus 18. No response. All right. Oh, see. Test prep. And thank you cards to OG&E. Okay, so y'all did test prep. Okay, that's nice. Very nice, very nice. So 20, that's cool. So thank you cards to OG&E. Yeah, because y'all got those boxes. And y'all needed some preparation for the writing portion of the test, which I'm glad y'all did. Did you, well, what was my original question before? Oh, yeah, I was asking what 26 minus 18 is, so we can figure out this problem. But I just got a message real quick. Give me 1 second. I'll take a pause. And I'm still waiting on your answer, 26 minus 18. Don't guess, Hunter. You can't just say 12 just randomly. Give me 1 second. Hey, just let you know. Oh, that's the Mossberg family. Okay. I'll be right back. Sorry, I'm talking to someone real quick. I'll be right back. I'm sorry, Hunter. I'm glad you did really tread on the problem. I'm really sorry about that. Give me a sec. I'm sorry. And I'm back. Sorry about that. I was talking with Miss Mays, actually. She was just giving me a heads up on what happened today. I heard that there's some people that got some SpaghettiOs and stuff, and that was stuff I got from the teacher store. And I appreciate SpaghettiOs and ravioli and stuff. And that was stuff I got at the teacher store, and I'm really glad if y'all got some of that. I hope you're still watching. If you're not watching, then okay, well that's fine. But if you are watching, then fantastic. Okay. Okay. All right. So, let's see. Yeah, I also talked with some people at the Capitol as well about just how we feel about this whole education system, and I'm just glad I was able to say something because I wasn't able to be at the school board meeting for our school, but I was able to go to the Capitol and say what I wanted to them because that was the real message. The school board and us should not be in fights or anything like that. What we should be doing is focusing on trying to get better education for our kids. And that was my goal. I actually talked to a senator, and I'm getting distracted because I'm supposed to be playing Prodigy right now. And I can't focus because I'm too busy talking. But I also don't even know if anyone's there. Are people there listening? I can't tell. Give me a sec. Let me see if there's a counter on the stream. Give me a sec. Anything? Anyone watching? Started streaming 30 minutes ago. Yep. Let's see. I can't tell who's watching or not. Oh, you're okay. Any view? I can't tell. It doesn't tell me how many viewers I have. Well, I'm still committing to try and stream till 5 o'clock, unless I get another phone call. Because that was Miss Mays talking to me about, what was going on. Yeah. So any other questions about today or anything like that? Or am I just speaking to the wind? I really hope I didn't lose my audience. Oh, goodness. No. That's not good. My 12 subscribers. Where is it? Where's my... Let's see. Oh, no. Oh, well. I'm just going to continue to... see. I plan. Give me a sec. Let's see. All right. So we have There are 5 pins, 6 blue pins, and 10 black ones. If you select one without looking, what is the probability it will not be red? Well, the thing is, if you want to find out, we first need to find out how many total pins we have, because that's going to be the number on bottom. It looks like it's going to be 21, because the only answers we have are 21. Yes, and I'm waiting for Cobran to yell out in the classroom, 21, or something like that. So, but we're not in the classroom, so you can say as much you want as of right now. But it looks like we have 5 red pins, 6 blue pins, and 10 black pins, which equals 21 in total. Let's see, how many are not red? So we need to add up the blue pins and black pins, because that we had 5 red ones. Oh, let me get my pen out. We had 5 red ones, 6 blue ones, and 10 black ones. So we need to add up everything else except for red. So we're not going to add 5. I wish this was a bigger eraser, and I don't know how to make it bigger. I made a mistake. Now, we have 6 and 10. So we add 6 plus 10, which is 16. So our answer is going to be 16 and 21. Cast a spell. Yeah, it works. Woo! Wish I had all the streaming Twitch stuff that was like all the fireworks, but I don't. So, oh, I leveled up. Nice. All right. Let's see. Yeah. Cool. All right. There are 4 red marbles, 6 yellow marbles, and 5 green marbles. 5 orange marbles in a bag. How? If you select one without looking, what is the probability it will not be green? So we need to find out how many marbles we have total. And since we have different numbers, we have to add them all up. So we have 4 plus 6 plus 5 plus 5. So we have 4 plus 6, which is 10. Plus 5, which is 15. Plus 5 again, which is 20. We have 20 marbles in total. I'm just going to write that down. It's 20. Now, we have to find out what is the probability it will not be green. So we need to add up the 4 red marbles, 6 yellow marbles, and the... This is so much easier if I'd undo, but oh well. And the 5 orange ones. So 4 plus 6 is going to be 10. Plus 5, which is going to be 15. So we have 15. So we have a probability chance of 15 out of 20. But we need to simplify this and make it smaller. So what's one number that can make this smaller? Well, we're going to divide 15 and 20. And that's going to be dividing by 5 to make it smaller. So 15 divided by 5 is 3. And 20 divided by 5 is 4. So it's going to be 3/4. Shoot it! Can you do it? Yeah, I got him. Nice. I lost my views. What's this? Oh, I didn't know you could do that. That's cool. What's that? Oh, stop it. I don't want that. I don't want search emojis. Go back to keyboard. Open chest. Woo! Yeah, got it. Any questions about today? Anything like that? Anything online? I'm going to commit to this. I'm going to stream till 5. And, you know. Oh, man, my dog wants to go outside. Let's go over here. I got to fight this guy, don't I? I sure do. Come on, let's go fight. Let's bring it. Let's fight this guy. Alright, so we're going to attack with a conjure. We're going to conjure something. There are 8 blue tiles, 3 green tiles, and 9 orange tiles, and 4 pink tiles in the bag. If you select one without looking, what is the probability you will not pick pink? So it's the same thing. We're going to add them all up, and then we got to find out how many are not pink. So we're going to take the 8 blue plus 3, which is going to be 11, because 8, 9, 10, 11. And we're going to add up 9, which is going to be 11 plus 9, which is 20. And then 20 plus 4, which is 24. So we have 24. And so we have 24 in total. Let's write that down. 24 in total. So now we have to find what is the probability they're not. It will not be pink. Well, we need to add up the blue, the green, the orange, and that's it. So a plus 3, which is going to be 11, plus 9, which is 20. So we're 20 over 24. However, that's not one of our answers here, because it looks like we have to reduce our answer or make it smaller. So we do it the same thing we did last time. We're going to divide by, looks like we're going to divide by 4, because 4 is the highest number that we can divide into 20. 4 there and 4 here. 20 divided by 4 is 5. And 24 divided by 4 is 6. And there it is, B. Cast it. Boom. What did I conjure? Oh, I conjured a giant white ball. That's cool. Let's attack. Batter up. Oh, angles. Here we go. Select the angle that makes the addition statement. What is the addition statement? Well, we can rearrange the addition sentence to solve for the missing angle. So, oh, I see. So, okay. So now we need to basically solve for this. Now, with angles, a flat surface, a straight line, is going to be 180 degrees. Let me just light it out. So there's the line right here. This line is 180 degrees. It's like taking a U-turn. You go 180 degrees around. You just turn straight around. So this line is 180. If we have 15 here and 135 here, and those together, what we need to do is we need to subtract 135 minus, let's see, we have 135 and we have 15. So we need to subtract. Oh, we don't even mess with 180. That doesn't even matter now. I made a mistake. My bad. That's okay that we make mistakes in math and we just have to learn to correct them. It looks like to equal 135, we just need to subtract 135 minus 15. All these angles and stuff are just confusing you. So 135 minus 15 is 0 there, 2 there, and 1 there. So 120, which is B. Go! Cast a spell. Boom. Did I get him? Ah, I didn't get him. That's cool. How conveniently enough, the printer thing is going to keep on showing up. Let's attack again. Let's do a better up. Oh, okay, here we go. So it's the same thing here. So we just got to subtract. Because we have a total of 120 angle and 60. And we add 60 and whatever's here to make 120. So what's 120 minus? So we need to do 120 minus 60 is going to be 60. Because 6 minus 12 is 6. Just drop the 0. So C. Go. Sounds good. Did I get any see, open that chest because I am not special. Go next. Here we go. Ah, goodness me. All right, let's move up this arrow. This pointer keeps on telling me to go that way, so I'm going to just follow this thing. I still have no parent control. I have no parent control. Ah! Oh, I'm supposed to talk to this dude. What's up, dude?
Well, what have we here? I've not read my monsters, huh? Let me read it.
Oh. He's reading.
It says, big plans happening. Don't tell Flora. Well, it looks like it was written by a Spike. Strange little monsters they are.
All finished. Let's head back.
Oh, really? That's it? Open this chest? What did I get? I got 250 gold. Woo! What is this guy? I'm really confused. I'm just gonna go this way. What are you? I don't care about what you got. Let's go straight down. Oh, that's right. I got monsters in the way. I'll just fight them. Let's get stronger. Let's get smarter. Dun, 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 dun. Boom, boom, boom. Ah, so here we go. Now we have an angle. Select the angle that makes the decomposition statement. Now, decomposition statement is when you take, we had the other one where we basically find the adding. Now we're going to be finding out how it gets smaller, how the angle gets smaller, how it decomposes, how it gets smaller. So we're going to take 180 and whatever it is to equal 90. So now, since we had this little subtraction sign, we just do the opposite, this little subtraction sign here. We're just going to add. So 180 plus 90. 180 plus 90 is going to be 0 there, 17, and 2. 270. So that should be the answer. Now, a fast way to do that is just to think about, if you know your multiples, if you know your 9, you know that 18 is 9 times 2 is 18. You can just move up to whatever could equal the next one, since you're adding another 9. That's going to be 27. So because 3 times 9 is 27. But either way, that's the side point. It's still going to be 270. Go. Make that happen. Cool. Well, aren't you cool? Gonna make that happen to me? Mm-hmm. Okay, so select the angle that makes the addition statement. So we're just gonna add the angles here. So 180 plus 65 is going to be... see... let's do it this way. People can see. So 180 plus 65. So 5 drops down. 8 plus 6 is 14. And 245, which is this one. Woohoo! We win the game. Cool. Boom! Got him good. What we got? Anybody? Any responses? Or if you want to listen, that's cool. Listen to the sound of my voice. Or if you want to chat. Like I said, if you want to chat or have any questions, just type in the chat. If you have any questions to me, if you want to talk, that'd be great, because I feel like I'm talking to the wind. Batter up. Alright. Select the angle that makes the addition statement. Oh, so again, so we're just adding again. So we're going to add 270 plus 40. And that's going to be, we got 0 there, 11, and 3. So 310. Yay! Boom, I think he's gone. He's gone. He is gone. Out of the here. Open the chest. All right. Since you told me to. What'd I get? Florins. I don't know. That's new to me. Florins are new to me. Are new to me. Blah. No, I wanted the fly. Darn it. Oh, what level am I on? I don't know. I just realized. So select the angle that just meant. So again, we're just adding 300 degrees plus 45 degrees. Because that's how degrees works. And that's going to be 345. Go. Boom. So select the angle that makes the addition statement. So we want to take 180. We're going to add it to something to equal 360 degrees. Let's see. So what we're going to need to do is subtract. So we're going to take 360 minus 180. 0. 6 minus 8 can't do, so that's going to be 2. So then we're going to take that 1. It's going to be 8. Oh my goodness. It is going to be 180 degrees, which I kind of figured, but couldn't say for sure exactly. Boom! Got him. No crit? That's cool. Bum, 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 bum. Oh, negatives. Oh, moving up to negatives. So negative 14 minus 6. That's like saying, you know, if you have a number line there and you want to, let's say if I'm at, let's make this line here. Really quick. Let's make this 0. Let's make this negative 14. If I want to minus it by 6, well, then I would just be going backwards because I'm just subtracting. So instead, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be adding negative 6 to this. You like this? That's cool, right? So it's going to be negative 20. So I'm putting negative 20. Boom! Shakalaka. Get him. Did I get him? Yeah. Crit. And I leveled up, which means I don't have to re-heal. Yeah. Cool. Open the chest. All right. 3, 2, 5. I am committed to this. I hope someone's watching. If you want to, you know, talk in the chat, let me know that you're not. I'm just not speaking to the wind. That'd be fantastic. Because I don't know who's watching or who's not watching. Or if anyone's watching at this moment, I'm just, you know, speaking to the wind right now. Or it looks like it. I feel so alone. So now we have negative 14 minus negative 5. Now, since it's strange, because you would think that we would do this, and we would say, okay, well, then we're just going to go back 5 more, right? Well, not exactly. So we're going to be subtracting negative 5, which in turn is actually going to be adding 5. That's just how it works. Let's say if I made that number line again, and we're going to put negative 14 here. We're going to put 0 there. And put little lines right here. So if I were to say that this is negative 14 minus negative 5, well, what's going to happen is that we're going to go back. We're not going to go back negative 5. We're actually going to go forward 5 due to the double negative happening, and you just change this to a plus, change that to a plus. Now you're adding 5 to negative 14, so you're going to go up 5, which is going to be 9. Oh, sorry, negative 9. Booyah! Boom! So here we go. Now we have 22 plus negative 24. So then what you're going to be doing here is, since it is 22 plus negative 24, well, you're going to add it to 24 here, whatever this is. Or you can think of it as this. You can take this. Oh, wow, that was fast. You can think of it as this. You can instead rewrite it as being 22 minus 24. Just like that. Because then it's going to become a negative 2. But if it helps people out to keep it as 22 plus negative 24, that's understandable. But what's going to happen is just basically the same thing. It's going to be negative 2. So negative 2. Woo! My dog wants to go outside to the potty. So give me 1 second. I'll type it here. Taking dog potty break. And I'll be back in a second. And I'm back. All right, cool. Now, so the same thing here. We're going to subtract 30 from negative 23. So we're just going to be doing like this, like 30, and we're going to subtract to negative 23. Well, anytime you see a subtraction sign before this sign here, what you're going to do is just simply add another 2 lines. So that should be 53, if I'm not mistaken. Yep, that's right. That's just how it works. A lot of the times for those negatives like that, to solve for those negatives is when you go 53. It's weird, but it's just how it works. Open chest. Booyah! Gonna do it. Right now. All day. Yeah! I still feel like I'm talking to myself. Please type in chat so I know I'm talking to people. I'll type it myself. I am not alone in this world. Please type in chat so I know I'm not alone in this world. And if I get no response in the next 20 minutes, I'm probably going to just kind of cut it short. I know this was a long shot. Where the heck did you come from, little bun? Whatever the heck you want. Where are you, a goat? Yeah, you're like a satyr. You're a satyr. Greek mythology, people. Satyr. Alright, so we're going to calculate negative 23 plus 25. Well, we're going to treat this as being like subtraction. So what we're going to do is basically do 23 minus 25. That's how we're going to treat it. Anytime you see a negative like this with a plus, just treat it like you're subtracting it. And keep the numbers the same. Don't flip them around, because that's the whole point, is to keep it like that. It's going to turn out to be negative 23 minus 25, which is... Nope, sorry, I messed up. I know I messed up. Yep. It's not that. 23 minus 25 should be 2. 2. I don't know why I put 22. That was just a mistake. And please type in chat so I know I'm not speaking to the world. I'll give you about till 10 minutes, till 4:30. Alright. Let's see. Let's conjure something. So negative 54 minus 26. What you can do for this is basically do the same thing. Add the plus. You treat it as plus 26 because you're going back on the number line 26 times. So that's going to be 10, 7, 8, negative 80. Yeah! We're all going to be winners today. Negative 14 minus negative 25. So you think what we're going to be doing minus negative 25. So what you think we're going to be doing is going to be making it smaller. But however, do you see this double negative? Anytime you see a plus subtraction sign with a negative, just change that to a plus. And now it's treated as a subtraction problem. So we're going to have 14 minus 25, which is going to be 9? Nope, my bad. Give me a second. I got a call.